Okay, so last where we left off is that we finished up week 4 and we finished up with doing the trial balance. Okay, we matched on both sides. So that means what we're going to be doing next is we're going to start on week 5, part of the journals, just to wrap up the end of the month. So here we go. We're on the 29th.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I believe this is page 19. Ooh, excuse me. So let's go ahead and see what happened here. So we are delivering to the corner bookstore.
Mm-hmm. So we have to journalize that.
Correct.
Yes. So account receivable, no?
Accounts receivable.
And then sells coffee, regular coffee, sells supreme coffee.
And okay, let me see if I can
That's right. I'm sorry.
No worries. Here you go. Accounts receivable, sales. Oh, this is only
Sales, regular, and income, delivery and income.
okay. Good. Copy this and paste it down here. Save us some time here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So accounts receivable is 11,000. Okay, so
Okay, so we have a 218 the total account receivable and 81 cent, and regular coffee 69.9 cent,
okay.
supreme 79.80, ceramic 39.92, and delivery income $30.
Okay, to get us to 1881.
You won.
Perfect.
Next,
Okay,
we go to the
hold on. We got to finish off
ledger.
our journal.
Oh, okay. So it is a corner bookstore. Corner bookstore. We have invoice 109, and the terms that are 1%, 15 net 30.
Okay, good.
That's it. One now we can go to the ledger.
Yeah, we can go to the ledger now. Okay.
30. All right. So,
Start off with accounts receivable. Here we are, accounts receivable.
yep, 218 on the debit. So increase by 200. Oh, so invoice 109.
So we're going to increase it by 218. 81.
1881. So we have 2,779 and 23.
Good.
Yep.
Okay. All right, revenues.
So we have the sales of 21 pounds. From first 69 and 9 cent. 1, 2, 1, 112. Yes, 102. The 180, 181.11.
Good. All right. And we sold how many pounds of the Supreme coffee did we sell?
20. The price is 79.80. Total of 1,236 and 90 cents.
Perfect. Okay. And then we have the ceramic coffee mugs.
The ceramic coffee mugs. We have 8. We saw. And it is 39.92. 1,543.93. It is 1,583 and 22.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
And then last but not least, we have delivery income.
Okay. It was 109. We are on page 18, right? Or 19?
We're on 19.
19.
Yeah, because the next page is 20. So we're 19.
Mm-hmm. $30, 270.
Okay, good.
All right, we're done with that. We're going to the subsidiary ledger.
Okay.
The customer. No?
Customer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The corner bookstore, so all the way at the bottom.
Okay. June 29. Invoice, no?
Uh-huh. Number 9.
Invoice number 9, page 19. Payment. So the total is 218 and 18 cents.
Okay, when is the
Oh, we
discount due
have a
date?
term. That's right. Oh, we have this one. The 15th. So it is the 14th.
Okay, plus what is the actual due date?
Another 15 days. 15, 29, no?
Yep. All right. And they owes 218.81.
81. Into account receivable to 1881.
Okay.
We have to go to the inventory.
Hold on. We got to give Albert some commissions.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. For the corner bookstore. So it is 629.
Yep.
Invoice number 109. So we earned $21.88. So how much do we?
218.46.
218.46 is what we owe him. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So next we're gonna go is to inventory. Okay. Regular coffee. How many pounds of the regular coffee did we sell?
21. Sorry. 21 times 1.6. 64, right? 648. 3, 5, 8. 34.62.
34.62. Okay.
Good, good. So we didn't do cost of goods sold, no?
What do you mean? This
Part two, or we don't?
this
Oh,
is
yeah.
cost of goods sold.
That's
That's what we're doing right now. Cost of goods sold.
that. Okay, no, that's what it wasn't what I meant. Now you, no, it's okay. Mm-hmm. So 55. pound and a half minus 21, 34.50, and 34.62, 56.87, 35, 164.84, 50, 30. All right, so we're going to Supreme. Um, okay, so we have a 40 pound in 187, 189, 189 time 1.9, 37.80.
Okay, 37.80.
Mm-hmm.
So we got rid of 20 pounds.
Mm-hmm. And 99.5 minus 20 pounds, 79.50. That's 188.5. Yep.
Hold on.
Isn't that good? Okay.
No, because we have to fix this because it's not 188.50.
It is 150, 25 or 26. Actually, 143.
Okay, 150.25.
150, 25. Yep.
Okay.
Now, we don't have to journal like that.
Yes, we do. Always.
Okay. So, cost goods sold, regular coffee, cost of goods sold, supreme coffee. So, regular coffee, supreme coffee. So, this is for corner bookstore. Invoice 109 and the term 1%, 15 net 30. How much was the first one? The regular
34.62.
34.60, 34.62. And this is the regular
Regular.
and supreme.
Supreme was 37.80.
37.80. Mm-hmm. That's 34.62 and 37.80. All right. So we have to go to the ledger again. Should we use 21 pound? And it was 34.62. 6, 160, 162, 1,162.88.
Okay. Supreme Coffee.
Supreme Coffee Well, 37.80. Oh, it is 20 pound. At 37.80, and it's 1,233 and 25 pound.
Good.
25 cents.
Good. You need to update your inventory.
So the asset. We have a 21 pound. It is 34.62, and it is 56.87.
5687. Does that match our inventory worksheet? $56.87.
687.
Okay. Okay.
37.80. This it is 20 pound. We use 20 pound. Yep. 150.25. Yep. 37.80. 150.25 cents.
Good.
Good. Matching.
Good. Yeah, I for sure remember that one.
That's all.
That's it.
They pay the invoice. And the next one. They pay the invoice 126. So we need to see the subsidiary ledger. $126. So it was 196. 196.
Any discounts here?
We have no. We haven't prepaid. We have any discount.
Do we have discounts? We were offered discounts, don't we? Weren't we?
Oh, let me see. Oh, yes, but we are the 20. Yes, we're supposed to. No discount because it was the 20.
Yeah, we already missed it, right? Today's the 29. We're paying it one day before it's actually due. So in this case, no, we missed a discount, so it's just going to be for $196.
96.
Okay.
So we got it. This is from checking.
Yes, we're going to pay from checking.
Account payable.
Accounts payable. Yes, because we're simply just paying what we owe.
All right, so we have to write the check.
Yep, we're going to write a check. Okay, so check register.
Okay, at 196 the amount.
To who?
For the all things ceramic.
Okay. For $15.31.
So all things ceramic. Invoice 126 and check 15.31.
Good.
Going to the ledger.
Ledger.
All right, so we write the check 1531.
Hold on. Sorry, I was in the wrong account. Accounts payable first.
Mm-hmm. Invoice 126. The amount it is 196. So it is 3,523 or 21. And 6623 54.
Okay.
Now we have to go to the subsidiary ledger.
Subsidiary ledger.
Do we have to review the order, purchase order? No. We're
No,
just paying now.
we're just paying.
Mhm.
So I'm going to add an extra line here for space. Okay, so it's the 29.
Online. So if we receive invoice, I don't know. I checked on it. Okay, 1535.
We already received the inventory. We already made a record that we
already
received it.
Yep. We're just paying.
Yep, we're just paying.
26. So
General Journal
29.
19.
Actually, we'll do the payment, no?
We're only just doing the payment, yep, for 196.
196.
Okay. Now what you can do here is you can check mark obviously that this invoice has been paid. Any way that you want to do it. You can highlight it so you know that in here that you paid for this one already. There's nothing to it. Okay. Whatever way that you want to do that so you know that you made a payment. I'm just going to oops.
Right.
No. I meant to highlight it like yellow or something.
Okay.
So to let me know that I already paid this one off. Okay, because I have a whole bunch of invoices here that I have not paid off yet. At least this will indicate that I've already made a payment to this one. Okay.
Okay.
And that's it.
That's all for this. So we continue here. We receive from Atlas Coffee Importer the invoice for 101. So now we have to check first the purchase order.
Now, is this a purchase order?
We actually no, we check that because that's we have to write just
So in this case,
401 we have to write. It is this one. It is the 27. No, we order. Atlas Coffee 200 and yeah, exactly 385.
okay. Now we receive the inventory, okay?
That's all.
No, because we received the inventory, didn't we not?
Oh, now okay. Never first was the order just okay, so we have to journalize that.
Yes, because we ordered on the 27th. It is now the 29th. It arrived.
Mm-hmm. So account payable and
So we're now in the new journal.
page 20. Page 20. So this is that's right. 29, 629. So we have account payable, green coffee, regular coffee, and settle. That's all.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So how much was the regular coffee?
Are we gonna pay for that later? Oh, for the Supreme Coffee, Atlas Coffee Importer, and the freight. Okay, I get it. So we have 177 and 50 for the regular coffee,
Uh-huh.
and 207. Okay, you're right. Okay, and so it is a 285.
385.
Mm-hmm. So we have a 32, 31, 25 for the freight regular.
Hold on. We're working on one at a time.
Oh, you wanna do okay? So you wanna do first the we have invoice 401 and
Uh-huh.
return that yeah 1%, 115 and
Okay.
1% net.
Do you want to do both freight and the uh the coffee together, or do you want to do it separately?
Whatever you want. We have a lot of stuff to do on each one. And so I think we have to do the freight because later when you go to the inventory, so we're gonna need to do the freight. So okay, let's go do the freight and then later we do everything together.
Okay, so let's do the freight then. So how much it was the total payment from the freight?
62.50.
Okay, so then how do I split it?
So we so 31.25 each. 62.50. So before we forget, we write the check
Okay.
for 62. We still on the 29.
Mm-hmm.
For 62.50 to Atlas Coffee Importer.
Is it really to Atlas Coffee?
Actually, no, it's for free line.
Yes, it's for freight line. Okay. So 1532.
All right. So let's go first with the ledger. Okay.
Hold on. We didn't finish the
No.
description
Oh,
yet.
okay. It's a description. So the okay, COD, yes, and it is the check 1532.
Okay.
That's all. Now we did.
Now we finished our journal. Okay.
So that was yeah.
So let's go ahead and
We go to the ledger. All right. So what's that for account? Big enough for the regular coffee. Regular coffee. So we sold. Actually, we didn't sell it. We purchased 125 pounds of regular coffee. 142. 142 plus
shh. Sorry. Hold on. Excuse me 1 second.
no problem.
Okay. So then
Mm-hmm.
here you go. So how much it per pound?
142.
142.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We are on General Journal 20.
20. Yep.
And we increased our account for 177.50.
77. So we have a 234 and 37.
Okay, 234.37. We also need to include the freight.
Yep.
So freight cost.
Freight cost 31 25.
Sorry if you can hear my dog.
It's okay.
Okay, so here you go. Plus 31.25.
It's 265.62.
265.62. So that's what we need to check in our inventory worksheet.
Mm-hmm.
Can you excuse me 1 second?
No problem. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here we are. We put, okay, so that's the number we need to make sure we verify in our inventory worksheet. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so Supreme Coffee,
Yep. We buy 125 pound for 166 a pound.
purchase 125 pounds at $1.66.
66. Yep. 207 and 50 cents. 207.50. Yeah. And it is 357.75.
Okay, then the freight,
Plus the freight cost 31.25, which went out 357.75 plus 31.5. 389 exactly.
okay,
Mm-hmm. So that's for the. Now we're going to actually. That's all we did. The check-in. No account payable. No. First.
yes, account payable first.
Mm-hmm.
Here we are.
Right. So invoice one 401.
Mm-hmm.
385. 3,885.21. Yeah.
Okay, and then checking.
Checking. Oh, yeah. 32. We have 60 to 50. 65, yeah, 61%. Yep. Mhm. Now we can set to the ledger to update the Atlas copy.
Uh-huh. Subsidiary ledger.
It's 200. We received 250 pounds of coffee, regular and 401. 21%, 15 net 30. 29 plus 15, 14. And so there's 29. Yeah. 384, 385.
Okay, yes,
385
385.
and 385. Now freight line.
Freight line. Stop. Okay, third freight line, freight line, freight line, freight line. Here we are. That's higher temps. This one is Hallie Bros. Furniture store, freight line.
Freight line. 229. Delivery 250 pounds.
Oh, right. I can't copy that because we use different check number. Okay, delivery of 250
pound coffee and the
LB.
check. $15.32.
Okay, and it
700.
was 702.
2.
General Journal number 20. COD.
Cash on delivery.
Right, for
62.50.
$62.50, and we made a payment.
And that's all.
Yep.
And then we go to the inventory.
Hold on, what happened here?
What am I supposed
Yep.
to do?
Nope,
Yeah,
nothing.
yep.
Nothing. Okay, let's go. All right, so then we go where?
Inventory.
Inventory worksheet. Okay, so let's work on regular coffee.
Coffee. Yes. 125 pounds. 142.
It's 142.
142, yeah. And 7 plus 31.25.
Okay, I gotta change that in my worksheet. Oh wait, 31.25.
25, yeah. 208.75. So now we add 30 plus 125, 159.50, and that's all.
So, okay.
We get the Supreme coffee.
So we got 265.62.
265.60. That's what we have before, no?
We could double check it. I think I went way too far. Yes, I did. All right, here it is. Regular coffee. Yeah, 265.62. Good. Okay. And the one is 389 even. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug it in. So Supreme Coffee.
125 pounds. 166. And it is 207.50. Another cost. Oh, another cost. Okay. 278. 191. Yep.
Okay, so let's plug that in here. We have a new batch of 125 at $1.91.
exactly.
Okay.
Hmm. That's all. We
Mhm.
finish with this.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. We purchase from restaurant supplies, medium coffee cups. Okay. So medium coffee cups and medium and large coffee cups and Visa paper.
Okay.
Do you need the account or are you gonna copy and paste?
I don't know when the last time I bought the coffee cups, so
The coffee cups a long time ago. Yeah. We see medium coffee cups 11,760. 60 and the other one 65.
okay. And Visa payable.
Visa payable it is 22,000.
So how much of the medium cups did you buy?
It is $100.
What do I do with the tax?
Oh, but we have to calculate, no?
Uh-huh.
Uh, Let me see. So one, it's supposed to be 825, no, for the
825.
first one.
Good.
Yep.
So 108.25.
20.62 minus 8.25. So we have a 1238 for the second one.
1238. Okay. So 150 plus 1238.
Mm-hmm. Plus which 150. How much is the cost? 150. So you 162. How much I told you? Okay, 38. Yep. Let's see. 1 second. 162.38 plus 25. 270.63.
270.63 is correct.
I don't know why I make so much effort. Is that on the page?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So we have restaurant supply, restaurant supply, and pay with Visa. Oh, that's 4,000 caps.
Yes.
Okay, that's one. So we're going to the ledger. Mm-mm. Here we go. So we buy 2,000 for cap. The same, yeah. It is 108.25 plus 270.62. It is 378.87.
Good.
Oh, I forgot 38. 2,000 for 0075. The same. Mm-hmm. 450 plus 405. $555.95.
Well, do that again.
Oh, I forgot the taxes. Acct.
Okay.
162, 138, 568.33.
There you go. Good. Okay.
Now we have the Visa payable.
Visa payable.
Invoice, no, but we put out 400 caps, 4,000 caps. Oh, okay. 270, 63, 16, 15, 26 plus 270 plus 63, 1,885.89.
Good.
Subsidiary ledger.
There you go.
Yep. 4,000 cap with Visa. 20. Page 20.
Page 20.
Mm-hmm. Oh, 27, yeah, the same. 270, 63, and 0.
Okay.
All right, that's all.
That's all for that one. So then what happened here?
We receive a payment for Great Restaurant from invoice 104. And the check it is 5,512. So checking and
Checking.
account receivable.
Okay. Now,
Yep,
hold on.
we received a
It's 29. Let's take a look at this person's profile.
we need to know the amount.
Yeah, we need to know the amount. That's definitely something we need to do, right? So let's go ahead and go to the subsidiary ledger. Oh, wrong one. Subsidiary ledger. Okay, under customers. This is Great Restaurant, right?
Yep.
Which invoice are they making a payment for?
The last one, 556, 104.
Now, let's take a look at this. Go ahead.
Well, we paid before. Yeah, we have discount, 1%.
They have a discount, right? So in this case, how much does this person have to pay because they received a discount?
556 minus a 1% of
What does 556 include?
the discount.
No, 536.05.
Sales and
What does it include?
I don't know what it includes. Everything.
Right? Do you need to look at the sale? Do you need to look at the sales form? This person, what is there that I charged?
What did you buy? I don't know.
So let's take a look. Let's just take a look at just a regular one here. Would they bought coffee?
Coffee. Supreme coffee and ceramic This is the one. This is not the
This
order.
isn't the exact one, but I want you to look at the form. What is there
Uh-huh.
that where you're charging them?
Which
Because
one?
you want to take 1% off of the entire amount. Can you do that?
No, no. The charge, the delivery, no.
Delivery charge you cannot discount.
Uh-uh.
So in this case, right, all standard throughout every single person's form, you take 30. It's $30 for each one. So in this case, right, to solve for my discount, okay,
So it's what you have
it's
$30 minus.
$30 minus. So in this case, 55605 leaves me minus $30 to 52605, right?
Uh-huh.
And I could do the 1% there.
You have to check. You have to check that on the freight line pay and delivery, or no, just so you know that like that. You just take it out $30.
Who delivered it?
Most of the time, the freight line, no.
Freightline is not our delivery services.
Do we have another one? I don't remember. We didn't use that a long time ago.
Okay, Freightline is when we receive coffee. How's that in
delivery.
any means of delivering it to other people? Why did we buy a delivery truck?
The freight, I don't know which company is delivery.
Okay, listen to my question very carefully.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Freightline was to deliver coffee to our store.
Yeah.
Okay? Why did we buy a truck?
Oh, we delivered
We delivered it. So therefore, we charge these customers this extra money. Yes. So in this case, there's no need for us to have to double check or anything like that because at least we know, right? We're only discounting the amount of sales that we sell to a customer. We cannot discount them off of the delivery because Albert has to drive all the way to their store, right? And we don't know how far the store is. It could be 10 miles, it could be 20 miles, right?
Yeah,
And
right.
so in this case, right, delivery charges cannot be discounted.
Discounted.
So in this case, if I know $30 is going to be my delivery charge, then I simply do this. I do my simple math in my head. If I charge the client or the customer to $556, if I subtract $30 out of it, what is my total amount of sales?
526 is the 5.
Exactly. So then, if that is my total amount that sales I sold to Great Restaurant, and I'm discounting him 1% because he made his payment on time, right? It says his payment's not due until July 2nd for him to meet the discount, but he went ahead and paid it a couple days ahead of time. So in this case, right, my 1% can only be applied to the amount that I sold, which in this case was $526.05. So how much is my actual discount?
$5.26.
$5.26. Okay. So therefore, how much does Great Restaurant have to actually pay us?
So we write there. Okay, let me see. So we're checking. We discount the freight $30 and the discount. Oh, you want to know the amount? 526 minus 526, 520.79.
Oh, that's not what I'm asking. I'm asking you how much is the check that is written out to me.
That you have to write that they 520.79, no?
They also have to pay for the delivery fee too because that's an automatic part of the agreement that we have to charge them the delivery no matter what.
So 550 and 79. it can be possible. Oh no. Actually, if you're gonna write that, so the check is have to be 550, 556.05, and then you discount everything, no?
Correct. So in this case here, 550.79 is what the check is written out for, because if I calculate this, this would equal the total amount that what was originally owed, which is the 55605. That's correct. Okay. They don't need to pay me more because they paid within the discount period. They took advantage of the discount period.
Yes.
Okay, so that means they can pay $5.26 less.
Mm-hmm.
And even if they do send us this check for more than that, we simply have to send them a check back because they get exactly. So in this case,
So
they wrote me a check for $550.79.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
550.79. Yep.
So what is if my checking is 550.79, okay?
Mhm.
How do I fill out the rest? You said accounts receivable, right?
Yes. And we have a discount return and how we call this? Discount, how we call sales discount? No.
Sales discount. Yes,
The sales
because this is
discount?
a customer, right?
It
We
is a
sold it to
customer.
them.
Mhm.
This is a discount, yes. So the sales
46,000.
discount.
So 46,000.
For $5.26.
26 cents.
So then what is the amount that they actually owed me?
556 and 5 cents.
Good. So let's say they gave us a payment and they passed the discount period. Then I just write what they owe me. They owe me the straight $556.08.
80 cents. 9 cents.
At 5 cents, excuse me. So yes.
526. Ah, got it.
Okay.
6. Mm-hmm. And so we have what's that? Great restaurant,
Okay.
and it is the invoice is 104, and the check it is 4,512.
And I'm also gonna write 1% discount.
1% discount. Okay. So we have to go to the ledger. Do you have to check the commission from Aldo?
No, because
yes,
the customer's already paid.
It's paying now.
The customer is just paying.
Uh-huh. So did we write everything? When they receive the order and everything, we write yet?
Yes.
Okay.
Right? Because the
Alright.
commissions is based on how much he's earned for sales,
Mhm.
regardless whether the customer paid
They
or
pay
not. Because in this case, it's our responsibility to pay Albert, not the customer.
Mm-hmm. All right. So we still at the 29. Invoice 104 and check 4,512. 500, 5079. So, 61.550.79. 7,011, yep. 111 and 83 cents here.
This was a sales discount.
Mm-hmm. $5.26. Yep. 5,184 and 85 cents.
Okay.
And account receivable. Yep. Page 20, 556 and 5 cents. Oh, 2,223 and 18 cents.
Good.
Now we have to update the subsidiary ledger.
Yes, now we need to update our subsidiary ledger.
So that's all. Update there. Almost. So check 445 104.
Okay, there you go.
That's all.
That's all.
Okay. So that's all for this. That's we finish here.
Okay.
Now we have another payment from Cathy Corner.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to check again.
For invoice number 106.
Uh-huh.
There you go. Katie's Corner.
106, it is the same, 265. And she have a discount and she paid the freight too.
Yes, her discount due date is July 9.
Yep. So, oh, shush. So we have a $30 to take it out from the amount from the
Okay.
delivery. Okay. 235.43. It is $2.35.
Okay.
Right. So
So that means the check that she should have written out was for $263.08.
63 and 8 cents.
Okay.
Yep.
263.08.
308. Do you wanna? Okay, we don't have a. We can fill that. No, we have everything there.
If you want to fill it out, that's fine. But do you know what the check number is?
It is here. Yeah, 455.
Okay, 455. So what's today? Today's the 29th.
29.
Checking.
Yep, 455.
Invoice number 106.
6.
General Journal 20.
20.
There you
That's
go.
all.
Okay,
Everything
so let's go ahead and plug
in
the numbers in.
the journal. So we have the same checking, sell discount, and account receivable. So I forgot to check which was the amount. Oh, it is. Yeah, account receivable is was. I don't know. We have to see on the. Uh, I cannot see the subsidiary ledger. Here we go. So we have 263.08. It is for the check. 263.08. $2, and I don't know how much. 08. I don't know. You have to push the the page again. I don't remember. Okay, so 235 and 265.43. Okay, so 235 the discount, and it's the total of 265.43. All right, so we have this is Katie Coffee Corner. Yep, is the invoice 106. The check it's 445, and it's have a 1% discount. Mm-hmm. So now we go into the ledger. All right. So check 445, invoice 106. Check it is 263.08. 711.83. So we have a 7,374.91.
Okay, good.
Sell discount $2. 1%.
Oh, I forgot to actually write discount.
Yep. Yep. It is $2.35. 180, 108, 1,887 and 20 cents.
Good. And then, last but not least, accounts receivable.
Receivable. Receiving for invoice 106. 1,957.75.
Good.
Yep. And that's all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now, again, from supermarket, A market, super A market.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to check how much pay. We go into the subsidiary ledger. It issued the invoice 107 from super A market. Here we go. That's the last one. And So you have a 400. Oh, you paid before 460 and 17 minus the full freight or the half freight. Actually, the amount is now 120. You pay in advance 460 and it's still 460 and 17. So we have to take it out $30, no?
Okay, what was the full amount?
920.
Okay, so that's the number you're going to use to take the number out.
Mm-hmm. So that's gonna take a little bit more. Okay, so we have 890 and 35 cents for the no for the check, no, because we have a discount 1%. So 920.
Okay, so how many invoices is Super A paying for?
What's that? I didn't hear what you say.
How many invoices is Super A Market paying for?
He paying for one for the last one, no? For actually two, 103 and 107.
Okay.
Ouch. So let me see. I cannot see. 103 and oh, so you have to pay 498.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have you add to 800 and 35, 498. 0.8, 1,299 and 15 cents. Had to pay.
For the very first one, when did they pay? And did they pay within the discount period or no? Or did they miss it?
No, they need a discount. They have a discount. Now, the discount, we have to do it from the full amount minus the freight, the time, because it's two invoice and the discount on both.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you do that separate or you do it together, the full amount?
How many checks did they send me?
They check one. They
They
just
only
one.
sent you one. So in this case, you
Mhm.
have to do it in one line. You cannot do it separately. But
Okay.
calculating wise, yes, you can calculate
Calculating.
it separately, yes.
Okay. So on the first one, so 498, we take it out $30 from the freight. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
and then we're gonna do the discount. So it's supposed to be 168. They go 468, 468, 469, no?
469.
69
Mm-hmm.
for the discount. The check is gonna be, let me see,
What about the second one?
what's again one? You're doing one by one, no? And then like, we add, or you want to do both?
How many checks did they send me? One, right?
One.
That
Yeah.
means you
So
have to do it in one line. In this case,
I
you
know.
can calculate it separately, but at the end of the day, you have to combine it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so yeah, I know, but I was doing the amount of the check, but it doesn't matter. 4.69 plus 8.90. So 13.59 discount.
Okay.
Now we have 498.80 minus the $30, 468 and 80. And now you're gonna do it on the invoice for 430 or for 920.
Well, how much do they owe me? Do they owe me 900?
460.
Do they owe me 920?
Nope.
No, they were paid me half of it in advance. Now in this case, the reason why we have to discount is because we can't just discount half of it. That's not fair. That's not right. You can't just discount $460. Or you can't discount off of the $460 because we actually sold to them 920, right? Or in this
Yes.
case,
So
890. So in this
so
case,
what do you discount? $15? No, $30? Half of the amount? Actually, it's half and half. So what we're doing there?
why are you discounting $30?
Not 30. I say half of the amount, the $15. So
Well, why do you need to discount that?
because it is the freight, pay the total amount it is 920, but it pay in advance $460. I don't know.
Okay.
I just
So,
tell you
yeah, so in
the
this case you would take the 920 because that's the actual invoice amount, right? It doesn't matter whether they paid me in advance. That doesn't do anything with the discount. That has nothing to do with the discount.
no. I talk about the how you call that the freight. We have to deduct the freight from the amount for to the discount, right?
Correct. In this case,
Okay.
why are you discounting the 460?
I don't understand what did you ask
You
me.
just
No,
do
I
the
thought
original
yeah.
amount of 920 because
No,
that's the
yes.
total sales, right? That's the whole total amount. It doesn't matter whether they made advance payment. It does nothing to do with the discount at all. So in this case, the number that you're focusing on is 920 minus the $30 gives you 890. We already solved this from the very like earlier, right? So
Okay.
that means
Now,
980 is what you're discounting,
yes. Now I'm
which
going to the
we already solved was not $8.90.
okay. I got it. Now, but is the amount that you have to pay is 400 and so you so for 890 you take it out 460. That
Correct.
I got it. I just
Well, not really,
go to
because in this case, you would take 920 because they still have to pay for the freight. We only took out the freight because you can't discount it.
all right.
So it's the
So
920, which is the full
920.
amount, including the delivery. And because they
Okay.
paid already half of
Mm-hmm.
it, that means they still owe you 460.17.
Yes. Okay. So now, okay. So we have 498 plus 460 minus 1359. That's it.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Because this is what they owe me, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And because I'm getting a discount, that means they can only write me $945.38 because they got discounted. Okay, and that will make them owe me nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that means they wrote a check to me for
$45.
$945.38 because we discounted them because they met the discount period. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
good, excellent. You understand now?
A little bit complicated, yes. No, I make too many calculation for nothing. It's more easy that that I did it.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have to journalize that.
Mm-hmm.
We have two invoices. Doesn't matter. You're gonna put that the amount that for one check. So you aim at the same like before, checking, right? Sales
Mm-hmm.
discount and
Mm-hmm.
accounts receivable.
Mm-hmm.
So in the description, you're gonna put that two invoice. Now that is paying for two invoice.
Correct. So in this case, it's going to be Super A Market
Mm-hmm.
invoice
Invoice on
number 103
103
and
and 107.
107. Okay, check number.
582.
Okay, and then you're going to also write 1% discount.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the check is 945 and something. Don't remember how much is something.
945.38.
38 and the total is 950. 98.97.
9538
13 and something.
38. No, 945. 94538.
8, yeah. And
And then the
13 something.
discount was 13. I think it's 1359. 1359.
But if you pay attention before, the total amount that we have on the Super A market was at 958 and 97 cents because we didn't have another invoice
Mm-hmm.
about the two last.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And if we write the 1% of 958 on the last line, is going to give you the same.
No,
You see
because
that?
we have $60 worth of freight.
Mm-hmm. So if you take the last line, that is was 958.97 before,
Okay. Okay.
and we do a discount from 1% from the 958. No, it is. It's
No,
different. No, it is
because
not.
because
Mhm. Yeah,
they owe me 460 for the invoice number 2. I would have to
mhm,
calculate it separately because
separately.
they received the discount for the overall amount, regardless whether they paid or not.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so yeah.
I get it. We're gonna finish here, or we're going to the ledger first?
Whatever you want to do.
Let's go finish here. We are here.
Okay, you want to finish the subsidiary? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we have the date.
29.
Oops, 29. Check number.
582.
Okay, invoice number 103
Oh,
and
107.
107.
Mm-hmm.
20.
Friday, and that's all.
That's it. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Now we're going to the ledger.
Okay. Ledger.
That's accounts receivable. Was that checking?
Yep,
Where are you?
checking.
When I'll checking. So receive for the 29. Check 582. And then invoice 100 and 582. The check. 7374. Yep. It is 945 and 38 cents.
So how much should I get in grand total?
8,320.29. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep. Right. How much was discount? 1350. Oh, 59. I forget 59. 1% discount on the invoice 103 and 107. And other total 1359. So it is 1,979. Mm-hmm. Okay. Account receivable. The 958.97. $958.97, and we have 998 and 78 cents. Yep. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have an order.
Okay.
So we have to record the order and that's all.
Okay, so who are we ordering to? Or ordering
Great,
for?
great restaurant.
Okay, and 56403.
Mm-hmm.
56403.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 4 great restaurant.
For 5.
6403.
Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So let me see. What I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you stop here just because it is close to 3 o'clock.
Okay.
So it's exactly 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna
3
stop
o'clock.
here. And we'll continue on back here at 3:20.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
All right.
So see you at 3.